how to use virtual card on Wise, and this is about really help you about it that is still about to be understood through what is going on about it in the situation that is still about be really satisfied for what we are going to help you on that. As you can understand the C, this is going to be really very important to be doing it. So what we can do exactly is about to really understand on through that, as you can understand the C through it today. So what we can do exactly is about to know what we can start to do it. So as you can see, to go cards and go to virtual card, the virtual card can be really about be used one wise, like if you wanted to send money or start to add money. So that is exactly how you can start to do it. It's still about something that it should be really satisfied for making the money, and that is all about to send or you or add money only on the website. And it's not a physical card or this or not a hand card. Physical card only can be a hand card. To use virtual also card for online purchases and add it to your mobile wallet. And that is all about to help you.